Welcome to Lexus of Edmonton, located off 111th Ave and 170th Street. Today we are looking at a 2021 Lexus ES 250 Premium Package in the color Eminent White Pearl. Under the hood, this vehicle has an 8-speed automatic transmission, 2.5-liter V4 engine. You have your LED headlamps, 17-inch aluminum alloy wheels, and keyless entry into the vehicle. You have a 10-way powered front seat with black Nulux leather throughout. And on your door panel, you have your memory seating, powered windows, locks, and side mirrors. Your leather steering wheel comes with paddle shifters, rain-sensing wipers. You have your Bluetooth and audio controls, as well as your multi-infotainment display controls. Your cruise control and lane assist settings. Your Lexus trackpad controls your 12.3-inch screen display. You have your dual climate controls and audio controls, heated and ventilated front seats and heated steering, cup holders, an additional cup holder to fit any size, and above you have your controls for your sunroof. Heading into the rear seats, you have plenty of space for your passengers, as well as your cup holders and armrests in the middle. And in the rear trunk, you have plenty of space with your spare tire below. So come down to Lexus of Edmonton today, where we will find a vehicle best suited for you.